In this video, we're making things glow in Google Slides. We'll have examples for images, shapes, and text. Starting with a text box, select it, go to Format Options, and turn on Drop Shadow. Then, click on Drop Shadow to open a menu with more options. Change the color to something bright, like white. Make sure the background image or color of your slide is not the same or similar color as the glow color to make sure that you can still see the glow. Changing the blur radius changes the look of the glow. You can adjust that as you like, but make sure that the distance slider is set to 0, at the very left. Otherwise, the glow will appear apart from the object. The angle doesn't really matter if you've set the distance to 0, and the brightness adjusts the brightness of the glow color you chose previously. Making word art glow is exactly the same. In this example, I'm just using a different color. You can get the glow effect the same way with shapes and pictures too. With the pictures, there is one more thing to point out though. Some images have a clear background while others do not. Keep in mind the style you want to create with your glow and image while you create your slides. A final tip is this. That's better now. Not everything on the slide needs to glow, and if that is the case, it may get too busy. So keep that in mind when creating your slide as well. If your glow effect ends up looking chopped off like this, you may be better off only using it when you are aiming to download the slide as an image, as shown in one of my previous videos. Did you know? This end screen was created in part with Google Slides. Also, what do you think of this text-to-speech voice? If you liked this video, you might like my other video about special animation combos or the one about making a half circle. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the rest of the channel.